How to recover a deck chair in 30 minutes. What you'll need: one deck chair frame, deck chair fabric, measuring tape, pins, scissors and chalk. Measure the length of your frame and the width of your frame, adding 3 cm for the seam allowance. Cut the fabric to the required size. Fold the long sides of the fabric in by 1.5 cm and pin. Repeat on the other side. Sew down the seam on both sides. Now measure from the top bar to the inside bar. Do this for both ends. Fold the fabric in the same distance. Pin approximately 2.5 cm from the fold. Sew to make the rod pockets. Thread the top of the deck chair sling into the frame. Insert rods into the channels and repeat at the other end.